Paying visit to the temples is not only to get blessings but also to get a calm and better mindset. The idol of God is set in the core center of the temple known as Garbhagriha or Mulasthanam. Ideally, the structure of the temple is built after the idol has been placed in a highly positive wave centric place. This Garbhagriha is a place where Earth's magnetic waves are discovered to be most extreme. Now we will learn why we should remove footwear before entering a temple. So, usually we remove our footwear before entering a temple because people say we shouldn't go near God with our footwear on. But there's actually a scientific explanation behind this. Temples are the place that contains pure vibrations of magnetic and electric fields with positive energy. In the olden days, these temples were built in such a way that the floor at the center of the temple was a good conductor of these positive vibrations, allowing them to pass through our feet into the body. So, this is why it's necessary to walk barefoot while you enter the core center of the temple. Another known reason is shoes and other footwear are used everywhere, so they tend to have all the impurities like dirt, germs, etc., which spoils the pure environment of the temple and is a source of negative energy. While we're in temples, all our five senses sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell get activated and we absorb positive energy. Now, I'll explain how each of our senses get activated. Number 1. Ringing the temple bell activates our hearing sense. People who are visiting the temple should and will ring the bell before entering the inner temple, the Garbhagriha or Mulasthanam, where the main idol is placed. And these bells are made in such a way that when they produce a sound, it creates unity in the left and right parts of our brain. The moment we ring the bell, it produces a sharp, enduring sound which lasts for a minimum of 7 seconds in echo mode. The duration of this echo is good enough to activate all these 7 chakras or healing centers in our body. This empties all the negative thoughts from our brain. In short, the bell works as an antidote to your mind. Number 2. Lighting camphor in front of the idol activates our sight sense. The inner core of the temple is a bit dark where the idol is placed, and you usually close your eyes to pray. When you open your eyes, you should see the camphor which was lit to do arati in front of the idol. This camphor light, seen inside the slightly dark Garbhagriha, activates your sight sense. Number 3. Offering flowers to God at the temple activates our smell sense. Flowers are good to see, they spread good fragrance, they're very soft to touch, and the nectar given by them pleases the tongue. So this combination is perfect for using at the temples. But only specific flowers are used for offering to God, like rose petals, jasmine, marigold, etc., based on different factors. Amongst them, fragrance is most important. The fragrance of the camphor, flowers, and incense sticks altogether have the strong essence to keep your smell sense active and pleasant, making your mind and body calm and peaceful. Number 4. Drinking Tirtham activates our taste sense. The water used for Tirtham usually would contain tulasi leaves dipped in the water, and it must be stored for at least 8 hours in the copper vessel. According to Ayurveda, water stored in a copper vessel has the ability to balance all the 3 doshas in your body: Vata, Kapha, and Pitta. So, by drinking this tulasi water, you activate the taste sense. The other benefits of drinking tulasi water from a copper or silver vessel also includes cure for sore throat, respiratory disorder, formation of kidney stone, and it also reduces the chances for heart disorders. Number 5. Putting your hands over the camphor flames and then touching your eyes activates our touch sense. Once a camphor is brought to you after offering the prayer, you usually put your hands over the camphor and then you touch your eyes with your warm hands. This action assures your touch sense is active. Like this, performing certain actions in the temple activate certain senses. The idol inside the chamber absorbs all the energy from the bell sound, camphor heat, etc., and vibrates positive energy within the chamber for a certain duration of time. When you do pradakshina at this point of time, you tend to absorb all these positive vibrations once your 5 senses are activated. This is the reason as to why we should often visit temples. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, then please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this one and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post new videos. Thank you everyone.